जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 12th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, whatever the wishes that you have, I shall definitely fulfill that, provided making sure every of your wish comes true, gives you eternal benefits, and leads you in righteous path, and helps you in attaining the ultimate purpose of your life. I make sure all this takes place before I fulfill your wish. In this process, it might delay, whereas the people who wants their wishes to be fulfilled in very faster rate, they go to other devatas. They get their wishes fulfilled by the grace of other devatas. But what happens is, as they get their wishes fulfilled, they enjoy that, and that leads them to ask some more benefits. That leads them to get some more desires. Like that, they will be driven in that desires and desires fulfilling process, and in that process they will totally forget about their ultimate purpose of their life. And as a result of that, they will end up being in this cycle of birth and death. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining the difference between approaching Sri Krishna Paramatma and approaching other devatas for us to get our desires fulfilled. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, and for every of our wishes to be fulfilled, for every of our desires to be fulfilled, may it be the mundane desires, may it be the upper world's desires, may it be the moksha desire. For all of them, let us start approaching only Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like this, let us start practicing today onwards, and let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Kangshantaha karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devataha kshipram hi manushe loke siddhirbhavati karmaja. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always meditate upon me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam Saranam Vraja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha, keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka, keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुकमहर्षि यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing the entire Srishti to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaisya, Sudra, these four classes, four varnas, are regarded as the wealth of, as the effulgence of Sakshat Paramatma. And all the great people considers these four classes as Paramatma's body parts, and then they meditate upon it. O Narada, four varnas, Purushasya Mukham Brahma. Brahmana is the face part of Paramapurusha. Kshatrametasya Bahavaha. Kshatriya is the shoulders of Paramapurusha. Urvoho Vaisyo. The Vaisyas are the thighs part of Paramapurusha. Bhagavatah Padbhyam Sudro Vyajayata. Sudras are considered as the divine lotus feet of Paramapurusha. Like this, great scholars meditate upon Paramapurusha's the divine body and considers the body parts as these four varnas. O Narada, there is another way of upasana also there. What is that, you know? Paramapurushas from the feet to the waist, that part, that portion is considered as from Patalam to Bhulokam. They consider all these lokas, all these worlds are there in that portion. And from the navel to the chest of Paramapurusha, it is considered as Bhuvarlokam. And then the chest, just the top portion of the chest is considered as Maharlokam. Then the neck is considered as Janalokam. And the face part, Bhrubhagam, is considered as Tapolokam. And the Siras, head, is considered as Satyalokam. Like this, all the great people regards all these worlds as the divine body parts of Virat Purusha, Parama Purusha, and then they meditate upon it. O Narada, that Satyalokam is also known as Brahmalokam, which is also known as Vaikuntham. Satyalokastu Brahmalokas Sanatanaha. This Satyalokam is eternal. It exists all the times. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining to Narada Maharshi how the great people does their meditation upon Virat Purusha, taking this entire world as considering this entire Srishti as the divine body parts of Virat Purusha. The same thing is communicated by Sri Sukha Yogendra to Parikshin Narendra. The same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He lokaha srunuta prasuti marana vyadhehe chikitsamimam yogajñāha samudaharanti munayo yām yāඥavalkyaadayaha antarjyotirameyamekam कृष्णाख्यमापीयतां तत्पीतं परमौषधं वितनुते निर्वाणमात्यन्तिकम् कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter 12th श्लोक. काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.